Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tega Clifford, and if you're a new subscriber, kisses to you guys. Thanks for clicking on this video. And if you're a former subscriber, I'm also saying 1,000 kisses to you guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, it's just a click. Just there. Just click on it. So for what is on today's menu is I'm going to be teaching you guys how to put your contact lens and how to fix your false lashes. Two things you're going to get from me today: how to fix your contact lens and how to fix your lashes. Like, I've been using contact lens for the past 5 years, so I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to fix your contact lens. So like I said before, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. My makeup first and I'll be back. So guys, I've done my makeup, very nude lights, and I'm about to put my contact lens in my eyes. So for today I'm going to be using this. It's called Fresh Look contact lens, and I'm going to be using it in pure hazel, that is brown. And I have put it in the container already because I have been using this for a month now, because it's recommended. So I'm going to be teaching you the easiest way to fix your contact lens. I can do mine either before my makeup or after my makeup. I decided to do it today with my makeup on to show you how easy it is to actually fix your contact lens. See, that wasn't so hard. So all the technique I usually use for things like this is to always make sure that for people that have like very tiny eyes, make sure you're not looking your black pupil, I think it's called pupil, you're not looking at it while you're putting your contact lens. You look up and put it in your eye and then blink. It stays, because it is, I won't say it's sticky, but it just gums to your eye. So automatically you just put it and look up. But for me, that I have portable eyes, not big, not small, in between, all I have to do is drag my eye down and put it in. That's all. And it's actually very easy. It might come off as very, very scary, and for people that blink a lot, you have to try and not look at your hand while putting it. You have to look up and use your other eye to be looking at it. So you're putting this one, but you're using this eye to still be looking at what you're doing. But make sure that your black pupil, you're not pointing at it. It's up or down, but not facing you while putting it in. It makes it easier for you to fix it. And for those of you that tear up like really fast, please do it before you do your makeup, so that you don't smudge your makeup. But because I'm used to it, I can do it both before makeup and after makeup. And if you still finding it difficult to put it, just leave it down at the comment section, and I would try a different method again, helping you guys to learn how to fix your contact lens. But this is the easiest way for me to fix my contact lens. Just drag my eye down, put it on my index finger, I really don't know, this second finger, yes, you just put it in, and that's it. And then I like to blink a lot to arrange it, let it set very well, let it put in the position. That's what I'm saying. So for the second thing I'm going to be teaching you guys today is fixing of your false lashes. Okay, it's going to be very easy and simple and no stress. Okay, so for today I'm going to be using my bee lashes. I have removed it from the pack and I don't know where I dropped the pack, but I'm going to put the picture of the bee lashes beside it, at the side when I edit. Shasha, I'm going to put a picture there so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to be using my bee lashes, and I've used it before because I cannot be opening new lashes every day. Man's it's not that rich. My two tools that I use for my lashes is my tweezers. Like, I don't fix lashes with my hand. I hate fixing lashes with my hand because it just smudges my makeup. I can fix lashes for other people with my hand, but for myself, oh no. So, and then I use Excel bonding glue, strictly Excel. I don't use any other bonding glue. There are other types, I can't remember their names, but I stick with Excel because it's not so sticky. At the same time, it's very easy to just remove. So I put it in my hand like this, and I turn it, set it well. Yes, just like that. This is always my favorite. This is always my favorite part of makeup because, I mean, lashes is bae. It gives you that, I don't know, but it just completes the look. It gives you that sexy feeling, like just be blinking your lashes up and down. I'm going to come a bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. And then voila. So can't you see the difference without lashes and with lashes? Can't you see how my eyes are just popping? You know what I'm saying? Guys, I cannot, if I'm making up, I cannot do without fixing my lashes. It's not possible. Except I'm not doing makeup, the hair natural all the way, but that I'm doing makeup and I'll not put my lashes. You was joking, so my eyes gonna be them bling 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 like this. I'm going to be using my liquid black liner just for the top so that it smoothens that place that glue is. Yeah, so I'm done, and let me just wrap all this up and I'll be back. So guys, I'm done with my makeup and I'm ready to go out, so this pink scarf is because I laid my edges. In case people are asking, like, why did I put pink scarf? I laid my edges, so I'm trying to press it down. Natural, it's not easy to just flatten your edges. You have to tie your brain and stop the blood from flowing. Yeah, that's what I did. Hope you guys have learned how to fix your lashes and how to put your contact lens. If you have any questions, any opinions, any comments, please leave it at the comment section and I'm going to go through them. The name of my contact lens is Pure Hazel, in case I did not mention it before. Let me mention it now. The name of my contact lens is Pure Hazel, and I like how it looks. And I'm going to leave also the link from where I ordered it from, so you can order it from there as well. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this a thumbs up, and share to your friends, and follow me on all my social media networks, social media accounts, and I'll follow you back.